Hi, Turbo Girl. You have learned to count numbers by hundreds up to 1,000.
Hello, teacher. Yes, I can read and write these numbers too.
It is fantastic they can do that because today I need your help to count the number of the objects and write down the numbers. Do you think you can do that?
I think that shouldn't be too difficult. I will try.
Thanks. I will help you along.
Wow, there are so many ice cream sticks here.
Ah, yes. These are the ice cream sticks left over from the arts and crafts lessons. I need to note down how many of them are left. Can you help me count them? There are 100 sticks in each of the bundles in red, 10 sticks in each of the bundles in blue, while the rest are loose sticks.
Sure. 5 bundles of 100 sticks equals 500 sticks. 3 bundles of 10 sticks equals 30 sticks. And finally, 4 loose ice cream sticks. The answer is 534.
534 ice cream sticks are left over. Next, I need to know how many drawing pencils are left over.
No problem. I will count them and write the total down for you. There are 7 bundles of 100 pencils, which means 700 pencils here. 2 bundles of 10 pencils over here, which is equal to 20 pencils, and 5 loose ones. So the total number of pencils is 725.
Thanks, Turbo Girl.
I am glad to be of help. Teacher, you have forgotten to write the number of pencils I counted earlier in words.
Oh my goodness, how forgetful of me. Turbo Girl, would you able to write it for me?
Of course. Well, I have counted there are 725 pencils left over. SEVENHUNDREDANTY-FIVE.
Good. Here are more numbers which I had noted down while I was doing the stock count yesterday. I need these numbers to be written in words too.
Teacher, let me write them down for you.
Okay, Turbo Girl.
100 is ONEHUNDRED. 803 is EIGHTHUNDREDANDTHREE. 515 is FIVEHUNDREDANDFIFTEEN. And 777 is SEVENHUNDREDANDSEVENTY-SEVEN.
You have been a great help to me. Read this number for me, Turbo Girl.
It is 143.
Good. There are 3 digits in 143, and each digit has its own place value.
Oh yes. I know that 3 is in the ones place, and 4 is in the tens place, and 1 is in the hundreds place.
Very good. You remember all that you have learned in primary 2. Well, I have here a chart that shows the number according to place values.
I see. So 143 means that there are 100, 4 tens, and 3 ones.
That's right. Why don't I give you a number and you fill up each of the columns on the charts accordingly?
Sounds like fun.
Okay, try this number then. 504.
Let me see. 4 is in the ones place, so I should put 4 1 cards under the ones column. There is no 10 in 504, so the tens column should be left empty. Finally, 5 is in the hundreds place, so I should put 5 100 cards under the hundreds column. Am I right, teacher?
Good. Thus we know that 5 in 504 stands for 500 and not 5.
Yes, in 504, the last digit 4 stands for 4.
Good. What about this number?
This is easy. There is no digit in ones or tens. Therefore, these columns are left empty. I only need to put 9 100 cards in the hundreds column.
Okay, one last number. 1000.
There are 4 digits in 1000. Since there are zeros in the ones, tens, and hundreds place, I do not have to put any cards in those columns. But where do I put the 1?
The digit 1 stands for 1000. Well, you need to have one more column beside hundreds. It is called thousands. We put 1000 card in this column for 1000.
Oh, now I know.
To end today's lesson, tell me briefly what you have learned, Turbo Girl.
I learned how to write down the number of objects after counting them. I can also recognize the number symbols and write them in words. Finally, I learned the place values of thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. So, by looking at the place the digit is in, I can tell its value. For example, in 243, the digit 4 stands for 40 and not 4.
I'm so glad that you can remember what was taught to you today. Keep up the good work.